we have some exciting updates about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. And trust me, this video is packed with important news. Android Headlines, along with trusted tipsters, has revealed detailed specifications and renders of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series, including the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to a reliable tipster Roland Quant, the S25 series will be powered globally by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and feature a dynamic AMOLED 2XL TPO screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, 2600 nit peak brightness, and HDR10+ support. The phone will include 12 GB of RAM as a standard, with some markets offering a 16 GB RAM variant. Storage options include 256 GB, 512 GB, and a massive 1 TB, none of which support expansion. The phone will house a robust 5000 mAh battery, supporting 45-watt wired charging and upgraded 25-watt wireless charging. Tipster Ahmed Quader reveals that the Galaxy S25 series will bring notable camera upgrades, including improved image and video quality due to enhanced software and the Snapdragon 8 Elite's upgraded ISP. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will reportedly feature a 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, offering 4 times better clarity than the S24 Ultra, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with OIS, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The series will also introduce smoother lens transitions, log-format video recording for professional-grade editing, and 43% better colors and brightness through AI enhancements. Additionally, the audio eraser feature will enable unwanted noise removal from recorded videos, and the Ultra model's ability to utilize the full sensor may lead to lower noise and higher resolution results. You'll now experience buttery smooth lens transitions with no noticeable cuts or lags. This improvement is likely powered by the enhanced image signal processor in the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which processes camera inputs faster, resulting in smoother video recordings. While Samsung is gearing up to introduce some incredible pro features with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's one disappointing update. According to Android Beat reporter Ishan Agarwal, the built-in S Pen in the Ultra model will lose its Bluetooth functionality. This means beloved features like air actions, gestures for taking photos, switching cameras, or performing tasks remotely will no longer be supported. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are available in ice blue, mint, navy, and silver shadow color options, while the Ultra is offered in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. Android 15 will come pre-installed on all 3 phones, overlaid with Samsung One UI 7. According to Ishan Agarwal, Samsung is set to open pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 Ultra on Friday, January 24th, 2025, with the window remaining open until Tuesday, February 4th, 2025. The official sale begins shortly after, on Friday, February 7th, 2025. As for pricing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 12GB/512GB variant is expected to retail for around €1,570, aligning with last year's model, but with upgrades in memory and features. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.